Hello, Chris Gear, Premier Farm Realty Group. Welcome to K&M Ranch, a turnkey cattle ranch calving operation here in a beautiful Ozark Mountain setting of southwest Missouri. Located outside the city of Crane in Berry County, Missouri, and in central proximity to 4 major stockyards, this location is perfect for a cow-calf production operation and transport to nearby sale barns. This income-generating ranch consists of 2 separate parcels, the main ranch home place of 178 acres and the hay production ranch of 220 acres located less than 1 mile down the road. Both sites, consisting of a combined 398 acres, feature a terrain of rolling hills with mostly open pasture ground and scattered trees providing shade and shelter for cattle. The topography is a perfect, gently rolling slope throughout with minor elevation variances. Approximately 90% of the overall acreage is in productive pasture use. Here at the main ranch homestead, you will see a highly productive calving operation, return on capital for that rancher seeking an income-producing job. The overall operation currently supports 90 to 120 cows and 5 to 8 bulls, which produce around 125 calves per year. The cows are calved out in the spring, later transitioned to other pastures when the calves are weaned. The calves are then fed out in the feedlot to gain weight before heading to auction in January of each year. The infrastructure and facilities are exceptional. The property is fenced and cross-fenced with continuous welded pipe in key areas, along with welded H-brace pipe located at strategic stress points. All barbed wire is 5-strand tightly stretched with 10-foot spaced T-posts. There are a number of grazing pastures supported with either natural water sources, stock ponds, or freeze-proof waterers to provide adequate water throughout the year. There are also mineral feeders placed in each pasture. The feedlot consists of 18 concrete bunk feeders conveniently located at the center of the ranch to keep the calves close to the homestead where the ranchers always have a full view of the operation. There are various corrals and working pens utilizing a Temple Grandin influenced design. The main sorting pens consist of 6-foot-high freestanding pipe panels and gates with bud boxes along with an alleyway to route the cattle in either direction. This area of the ranch also contains a squeeze chute for safe handling of cattle. The main homestead is central to the operation. It consists of 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths with an open concept kitchen and living area. The house is situated with great views of the ranch toward the east with morning sunrises. The current home could also make for a perfect ranch hand quarters if a larger residence is desired to be built elsewhere on the property. And there are plenty of prime areas to build upon around this ranch. Other structures include a 60 by 100 foot Morton brand building with 16-foot high sidewalls, 2 overhead doors, a sliding door, and a fully poured 5.5-inch thick concrete floor containing 2-foot by 2-foot rebar squares to support heavy machinery. There is also an elevated mezzanine storage area inside the building with staircase access and workspace underneath. Packed into this building is the essential equipment that could be negotiated and purchased separately. Attached to the front of the building is an 18 by 24 foot office area with covered porch. There's a 30-foot by 50-foot Morton brand machine shed building to support maintenance of equipment. There are 2 large feed bins on site, a 10-ton bin and a smaller 3-ton bin, along with a 64 by 72-foot hay barn, which holds 90 large round bales. All bunks, feeders, portable panels, and squeeze chute at the main ranch are included with the property sale. The only exclusions are the AeroQuip 107 chute, Kohler portable generator, and propane tank, which are possible to be negotiated in the sale. The hay production operation primarily takes place at this 220-acre parcel just down the road. This part of the ranch produces approximately 15-foot 4x6 bales of hay per year strategically stored at the main bale pen and other various areas throughout the ranch. There are also several key fields utilized for production of grass forage. Grasses such as alfalfa, orchard grass, clover, wheat, rye, and spring oats have all been grown in these fields to supplement calf feeding for high protein weight gain. These crops are grown at both locations, and these fields have produced some award-winning alfalfa and fescue hay over the years in various competitions. As you can see, a nice spring oats crop has already been planted for the current year and growing in very well. These fields have fertile soil, they are tested semi-annually and fertilized accordingly. This 220 acres also features a working pen with a transition box and concrete pad for another squeeze chute. This area also has the remnants of an old homestead with a root cellar, a well, and electric accessibility, providing for a utility infrastructure already in place for building an additional homestead. The attention to detail and organization of this cattle ranch business are clearly recognizable throughout the entire property. Being a turnkey cow-calf operation, the husband and wife, owner-operator sellers, are willing to train and consult a potential buyer to carry on the operation as is currently, if so desired, and are also willing to meet with a potential buyer to discuss more details about the operation, as well as any additional purchase of livestock and equipment separately. There's no doubt that once you see it for yourself, you'll find that this ranch offers a great overall value. Because it's an operational cattle ranch, showings will be provided for only well-qualified buyers. Call me, Chris Gear, for your private showing today.